What's going on, everybody? Got 2 mugs. I'm gonna go ahead and get them open now.
He's so excited. He loves opening coffee mugs from Disney. Which I haven't been able to tell from his previous posts. Same packaging.
This is March.
The coveted Mad Tea Party one. Yeah, so we missed this one in March and have not been able to track it down unless it was on eBay for like $90. And so got a excited phone call from a friend, said, hey, go check the website. So we did, and there it was. So nice little surprise. Disney dropped a few extra things. Again with the big boxes. I don't know why.
It's random sized boxes.
Seems
and see,
wasteful.
this one's got bubble packaging and that one didn't. So this one's colorful. This is August.
Dumbo.
So just down here.
For the love, I cannot open that. Okay. I chopped it. Just so y'all know, we have twin 2-year-olds that are asleep, so that'll be fine. All right, that one's pretty. I like that one. Got the blue and pink, kind of the iridescent bottom and handle. Definitely more for the girly look. Guess they're all kind of girly look.
What is it? What is it?
The Mad Tea Party, the teacups. Teacups and Dumbo. I mean, 2 of the probably most iconic classic Disney rides. Like, you don't feel like you...
As in boring Disney rides, you mean?
No, that is not true. He does not mean that.
Oh my gosh.
These are nostalgic rides. It doesn't feel like you're at Disney until you ride Dumbo. We had a great experience on the teacups one year with my brother. So he decided to hold his, how old was Piper at the time?
3?
3?
Oh,
No,
wow.
she was like 9 months. And he held her up on the teacups before they ever, like they just had started. And he like held her up to get a picture, but like kind of Simba. And they stopped the whole ride and were like, sir, can you please not hold your child up during the ride? So.
And that's Dumbo? So it looks like
Dumbo.
It looks like Wonder Woman.
It has a Wonder Woman look to it, but
That's what I thought it was.
no, definitely not. That's Dumbo. Got a dear friend,
Says-
cast member who worked Dumbo.
Buckle up
Blood
for
and
a
Kate
twirl on the Dumbo, the flying elephant attraction. I don't even know why you gotta buckle up. That thing's so slow. It's so slow and boring.
Probably in case you decide to hold your child up in the air.
And like the one I was in last time, the thing didn't even work. It wouldn't even go up and down.
You just didn't know how to do it right. So he's just a ball of excitement today, ladies and gentlemen. 2 mugs, neither of which he'll probably use. Stackable, fun, exciting. Got the merch pass on the Dumbo one, scored that one, although it is at the Disney parks, and I believe I think it's sold out online now, but there were some available at the parks as of today. I have a guest there today that was talking to me about them. So next up is Big Thunder Mountain, which should be in the mail, headed this way, and Haunted Mansion, which is surrounded by a cloud of controversy, so that one should be fun. That's pretty much it. I'm excited to drink coffee out of these.
Our 7-year-old is pacing behind the camera, apparently waiting to say something. Just can't wait for us to turn the camera off. So we'll see you next time. Bye.